For every child impacted by emergencies in Libya, Ukraine, Afghanistan, Sudan, and many other places, we are responding with urgency. Devastating floods caused by Storm Daniel in eastern Libya have left many children and their families displaced and in an urgent need for support. UNICEF has already mobilized preposition supplies such as hygiene kits and vital medical supplies in the country. I am here today at UNICEF Supply and Logistics Hubs in Copenhagen, from which UNICEF is shipping medical kits like the ones behind me, as well as nutrition supplies, purification tablets, and high-performance tents. As the health services were already impacted by a pre-existing challenging situation in Libya, the needs have reached an extraordinary level. We are on the ground, working non-stop to provide life-saving supplies to children in Libya and in other emergencies that are now facing urgent needs.